Hello everyone. We are going to produce acetylene gas as you can see in the video. We will produce it by the help of the calcium carbide, that is a solid compound which is made from the calcium oxide and carbon. This calcium carbide is a hard brittle grayish black solid which has high melting point around 2300 degrees Celsius. It is a non-volatile and insoluble in known solvents. You can see in my hand there is a calcium carbide. It is used as a ripening agent of food and for the production of acetylene. Now I have a water in my hand. We will make a small piece of calcium carbide and we will add in the beaker. The acetylene gas comes out in the form of bubbles. We will ignite it. Yay! You can see the gas catches fire. And the beaker you can see become hazy because of the formation of calcium hydroxide. Thank you.